Oh, so I'm going to show these Japanese crackers, which is so nice, so good for you. This from a Japanese, it's an Asian supermarket that I got it from, and these peanut sweet cracker from Costco. It's got peanut filling. My coffee. Little crackers. I love eating these crackers. Look at them. Also, I'm reading Shadow by James. Couldn't talk. Alright, I'm reading Shadow, and at the moment, the book is good. I like it because I like reading about MI5, MI6, secret agent undercovers, and all this. So it's a really good book at the moment. I think this is book four, because the first one's Nomad. There's a second one, the third one, I can't remember what the second one's called. The third one's Ghost, which is okay. But this one, so far, so good, because I love reading about, you know, secret agents, undercover, MI5, MI6, all that. So yeah, it's really good so far. Anyone's read this, please let me know what you think. And the next one is Rogue, and I've got Outlaw, which is afterwards. So yes, it's about, if people don't know, if you haven't read Nomad, so that's the first one. It's about a character called Mark Dane, and he is a undercover special agent with other agents and stuff like that. So I don't want to give away too much, but yeah, anyone's read it, please let me know. So far so good, because Ghost, the one before this, number 3, it was okay, but this one I like so far.